sa malamig na panahon. Barbecue tayo sa malamig na panahon. Snow sa labas. The chicken is ready. And the sauce is ready. Creamy already. See? So let's turn it up. Then, i-mix yung chicken na pinabarbecue. I-boil the chicken sauce, the one that you use to marinate the chicken, and let it boil until it turns creamy. Not really creamy, like sticky. And then this is the sauce for your barbecue chicken. See? Yeah. And now it is a little bit creamy now. So just like maybe 5 more minutes. And the barbecue chicken is almost ready. See? May lasa yung barbecue ko. Yan. Tapos mix mo lang ang sauce. Mix with the sauce. Ayan na. I mix with the sauce. Ayan. That's the result. Yummy barbecue with my sauce. Thank you. My barbecue with orange in it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Try with rice. Yummy! Nalalasahan ko yung orange. Yum, yum.